Hey guys, and I am talking to the guys out there. So no doubt if you're in a relationship, you've had that conversation, you're out the shed, they're inside, and you walk back in and they say, "You're always out the shed, you never spend any time with me." Well, right now I'm going to give you the solution to all your needs. And all you need is a little bit of spare room in the shed and you're sweet. So the first thing you need to do is disconnect the laundry and start bringing the pieces out to the shed into that little spare space. Alright, so the first part's done. We've moved all the appliances into that little spare spot that you've got in the shed. Next thing you want to do is go to the hardware store, get into the jigsaw puzzle section of the plumbing, make yourself something up that looks a little bit like this. Now, one of the other things you want to make sure you do when you're putting everything together is a bit of plumber's tape. Don't want any leaks. Chances are you're going to have enough damage with having the wife in the shed with you, so you want to make sure you don't do any more damage than required. Next thing we've got to do is find a nice place. We're happy to put a nice hole through the wall. Alright, so we need some assistance here. So we've got my son holding the setup on the other side of the wall, so we can screw into it on this side of the wall and we should be sweet. Alright, we've got our inlet coming in. That's a quick look from the back side of it. As you can see, we've got a spare tap, so if we want to plumb into it while we've got the hose connected up, we can do. And we've got our inlet for the garden hose to come into it, feed water into the shed. Sweet as. Let's keep moving on. So the only other thing you got to take into consideration is your drain off. So we're going to feed another hole through the wall for the drain to send the water outside. And then from there, we'll probably have a drain hose to run it out to wherever we want to run it to. Good as gold. Plumb it all up. Quick check for water. So there you go guys, it's as easy as that. It's great spending quality time in the shed together though.